Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country on TikTok. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and update your TikTok application first. So once you've done that, you simply need to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom, and then you need to click on three bars on the top and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on account, and here you can see account information. Click on that, and here you can see account region. Your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration, so you simply need to click on that. And let's suppose if I want to change my country to Qatar, so you simply need to click on that. And here you can see that to update account region you need to meet the following requirement. You have been in Qatar for at least 90 days. So if you want to change your country, so you must be in that country for 90 days. After that, you are able to change your country. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.